Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hurricane channel. I didn't feel like showing you how to make the breakfast, but I'm going to show you what I did. I made some blueberry pancakes. I used the biscuit mix. What the hell ever. I used the biscuit mix to make blueberry pancakes. Fried up some bacon, and right now I'm almost ready to. Oh, it is ready now. Gonna have some strawberry syrup on top. It's gonna be kind of like a syrup. And oh, sorry about the messy counter, folks, but I've gotten potatoes and everything from potatoes, onions, apples, all that stuff from the president. I'm gonna warm up some syrup, about 30 seconds. That'll be a whole different video. But, I got some food from the president I gotta go through. My counter space will be cleaned off again. I just need to get the time to organize it. My pancake breakfast is almost ready. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Okay. Here we go. Alrighty. That's my breakfast now. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you have strawberries and blueberries you need to use up, just take some pancake mix. Put them in with the blueberries in with the pancakes. If you got some strawberries you need to get rid of, make some strawberry sauce. And fry up some bacon for a side. And I do have coffee. I just need to get a cup. Like I said, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hurricane Rip out for now.